Bħalma gvernijiet nazzjonalisti fil-passat fetħu l-ekonomija Maltija bis-sħubija fl-Unjoni Ewropea u bħalma l-qajna l-kriżi finanzjarja u dik tal-Libja, hekk ukoll issa jrid ikollna viżjoni għall-futur. Iddikjara dan il-kap tal-Partit Nazzjonalista Adrian Delija il-ħamis fetaħ it-tieni ġurnata tal-Kungress Pan-Ewropew dwar il-kreditu, organizzat f'pajjiżna mill-Federazzjoni tal-Assoċjazzjonijiet Ewropej tal-Kreditu.
We have to build new industries to create the well-paying jobs of the 20s and 30s. We have to tackle social injustices, especially in the housing sector. I would like to see our economy developing modern industries where we have a competitive advantage, while enhancing social well-being and sustaining truly democratic prospects and environmental quality. This will need investment in public services, education, the infrastructure, and initiatives to give our population a livable country despite our high population density.
Adrian Delija ddikjara li fil-waqt li huwa tajjeb li l-ekonomija ta' pajjiżna sejra tajjeb, ma rridux ninsew li għandna min qed jaqa' lura u mhux ilaħħaq mal-ħajja.
We believe in an open economy, and no one can deny that this is what we achieved when in government. But the way I see our economy developing now can lead, and is already leading, to an unfair distribution of wealth and a huge burden on our environment. We cannot underestimate the problem of salaries not catching up with the economic development we're so proud of. We cannot look the other way when our pensioners are ever more dependent on government rather than having also a private pensions framework that works. We have to improve our level of educational achievement for Maltese and Gazetton youths. We cannot underestimate the importance of good governance and our reputation for sectors that are now the main pillars of our economy. We cannot ignore rule of law for the powerful and also for small businesses trying to get creditors to pay. We must have planned waste management rather than spend hundreds of millions to ban what we should have by now recycled. We cannot disregard environmental degradation that ruins the attractiveness of our economy for investors, tourists and locals alike.
Il-kap tal-Partit Nazzjonalista wissa wkoll li bħalissa dejjin minn maltempata li ħloqna aħna stess b'dellijiet ta' korruzzjoni politika, ftehim dubjużi fis-swieq taż-żejt u l-gass, nuqqas ta' rule of law, bank lokali użat għal ħassil ta' flus u saħansitra l-qtil ta' ġurnalista. Ma nistgħux indawru wiċċna, l-istituzzjonijiet irridu naraw li jaħdmu kif suppost, iddikjara Adrian Delija.